Halloween. Happy Halloween, everyone. Yeah, necessary evil of cruising. Well, we're at the Titusville, well, there's the diesel truck, never mind. After spending a peaceful evening in Titusville, we cast the lines and started heading south. Here we are, we're leaving Titusville, early morning, not that early, almost 8 o'clock. It's cold, and we got to run today to Melbourne, Florida. See how that goes. Hopefully with the wind behind us, we can set a sail, that'd be awesome. Here we go. This part of the ICW, there's not a lot to see, just condos on the water. Everybody buying the view. Wide open with a super narrow channel, and it's shallow just outside, maybe 3 feet deep. That's the 528 bridge. They call that the B line or beach line. My kid was a kid. It's called the B line. Runs from Merritt Island, Cocoa Beach, straight into Orlando, right to the airport. Of course, and it's the beach line. It's where all the cruise ship passengers fly into Orlando and then come across over to Cape Canaveral to get on their cruise ships. And coming into Cocoa, Florida now. Well, we've made the command decision to go all the way from Titusville to Vero because we've been averaging 6.5 knots because we have 17 to 25 knots of breeze over the quarter. Got a reef jib up and white caps and it's blowing, but we're really moving. So as long as we can do that, I'd rather not anchor out. I'd rather go someplace protected. Vero's mooring field is very protected. So that's what we're going to make a run for. We should get in around 5:30 to 6 right as the sun's going down. We've already called ahead and they're going to give us an assignment at 4 what mooring ball we go to. So that's going to be our run today. And that will eventually end up being the second time we've gone over 50 miles, 60 miles in a day on the Intercoastal. Long run, but we got the wind, so we're going to do it.
SpaghettiOs for a cold day.
Yeah.
SpaghettiOs.
Health food nuts, right?
Yeah, I'm having clam chowder soup. Clam chowder. Yeah.
It's a cold day.
Very cold day.
These are some of the residences of John's Island. Looks like some of these houses are still shuttered up. I thought they'd be open by now. But... You okay?
Yeah.
What's the number on that one?
That's 44.
Louder.
That's 44. What?
Yeah, necessary evil of cruising. Grocery shopping with an Uber. Anything else? That's it?
My brother Kevin and his wife Terry brought their boat down and joined us for a Halloween lunch.
Toss me a bow line.
Smile, you're on camera. Oh, wait.
Kevin, I had you. Yeah, I got you.
Don't fall in.
Hey, Michelle, learn how to tie a knot.
I've learned a lot on this trip, but there's still a lot more I need to learn. I like your hat. You guys want to come on and see the boat?
Yeah,
Welcome home.
Oh, thank you. It's good to be home.
I know. I was like,
It
when was
really
the last
is.
time we saw them? We left in June, right? But we didn't see you. We saw you Mother's Day, I think.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm like, gosh, that's been almost 6 months.
Permission to come aboard, St. Captain.
Yes. Permission granted.
Everything's intact.
Yeah. For the most part. Yeah.
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 Cheers. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween, everyone.
Show the Wicked Witch.
Oh yeah, the Wicked Witch.
Actually,
let me have that. I'll sleep on the backside for you, okay?
The wind is pushing us away, so we're good anytime.
Yeah.
Give me a push and let's go.
How's it coming?
we're going.
Topping off the water tanks here in Vero Beach, the city marina. Got her tied up. And I spent a couple of nights on the hook on this, so got the tanks opened up. Topping her off with fresh water. Well, we're in Indiantown. And it's hot. It's November and it's hot. We're gonna turn the air on. Yeah. So it's hot. So we're gonna go check in.
Back in the heat.
Back in heat, find out when they're gonna haul us out. And that's, I guess, the last leg of our first season. So we're back here to be hauled out. We'll go ahead and cover that too. Well, this is the end of season 1. Whiskey's back on the hard, just only maybe 30 feet from where she started here in the yard at Indiantown. So we're going to go ahead and take a couple of months break and get some home projects done. And I'm going to be doing a couple of DIY projects on the boat, refrigeration, things like that. And I'll go ahead and post those. But we'll start season 2 sometime in January. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. We really enjoyed doing this. Jill?
Oh, see you in the Bahamas.
See you in the Bahamas. Bye.
We want to thank everyone that made this first season of our adventure possible. Our kids, Casey and Kelly, our family and friends, and you, the viewers. Please stay tuned for some upcoming DIY and season 2 in the Bahamas.
If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe.